What's up, everybody? Craig Scheller with Scheller Outdoor Living, back to discuss drilling porcelain for recessed lighting. So today I'm going to show you how we install the Inlite design Fusion 22 RVS recessed light into porcelain. These are designed for decks and pavers. So we will go through the steps that Inlite has for drilling through pavers, and we'll apply that to the porcelain. So stick around. So the first thing we're going to do is make a jig. So this is a scrap piece of 2x6. This is recommended for a straight drilling process, and we want to make sure that when we're drilling through that the drill is staying straight up and down. So we're going to take a 7/8 wood bit, drill through this. So the light we're using today is a 7/8 inch light, which is why we're doing the 7/8 inch jig hole. And then we have a 7/8 drill bit from Inlite with a water swivel. So the water swivel is very important for longevity of the bit and the diamonds. So we use this bit on another project. So we're gonna try it some more and see how it does. We did drill about 20 pieces of porcelain. And we have about 30 to do on this project, so we'll see how it holds up. I did go ahead and order another drill bit. I'm going to kind of order one for each project when I'm doing porcelain, but for concrete these seem to last quite a long time. The water swivel is a one-time purchase. Buy that from Inlite. It's great for having water running on as you're drilling, so this makes it great. Puts the water right where you need it when you need it. So now I'm going to mark where I want to drill. On this particular tile we're going to drill right in the center. So it's 23.5, so we'll be at 11 3/4 inch. Go ahead and check that both ways. And then we've pre-cut these, as you might have seen in a video earlier, cutting our porcelain tile with a IQ saw. So this is 11 3/4 wide. So we will be at 5 7/8. Now we have that mark, so we'll set our jig right over that mark. So Inlite shows that you can just step on the board when drilling a paver. What I like to do on porcelain, just so we're not shaking the porcelain and causing any stress, is I take a couple of screws. Get that in place. Drill this side. So that secures the tile and the jig. So now we'll take our drill bit and drill the tile. So I actually had that on hammer drill, which is why I switched it in the middle there. That was something you don't want to do. So take the screws out. Luckily, the hammer drill didn't cause any problems. Once I took it off, I actually got through a little bit faster. So nice clean hole, right where we want it. And so we got about 30 of these to do. So we'll get started on this area. On this area we are pre-drilling. I have about 15 or 20 to do. So I'll get started on getting those going. Alright, so the next step is to install the light. We'll be doing this as we install the porcelain. We tend to pre-drill as much as possible just to save time on installation. And then we know kind of where we want to run our wire as well. So this is your connection for the landscape low voltage wire. So we just install this over the wire, put that in, and then screw it down tight. Make sure you have a good connection. This part goes through the paver. Just like that. So nice finish, nice and even. These look great on top of porcelain and offer a nice ambient light. So we really enjoy using these. Hope this video helps. Be sure to subscribe and follow along with this project. And as we get each step finished, we'll show different stages and finally the finished product. So have a great day.